terutama di main rally pressure, kita punya komponen seperti ini untuk menentukan pressure dari sistem hidrolik. Proses sistem hidrolik ada dua, yaitu yang pertama pressure boost pressure.
What about your English? Can you speak English?
Yes.
You can speak English. Okay.
Yes. The hydraulic system. The system is the valve. Valve. The hydraulic pressure adjust. One adjustment, the boost pressure.
How much?
How much? Boost 37 EPA.
Yeah.
Lost the nut red.
Yeah.
And the L key
Screw.
screw
Yeah.
inside full.
Yeah.
And lock the nut back.
Yeah.
Step 2, lost the nut big when inside the valve back and check the pressure gauge. 37 MPa and lock the nut.
If the gauge number is 32 MPa, how to do?
So to valve black adjust inside.
Yeah. Okay. You know.
Setelah
After then.
after adjust 37 MPa, lock the nut. Lalu just lost the nut.
Yeah.
Pressure, adjust the pressure.
Screw.
Screw out.
Yeah.
Main rally pressure
Yeah.
34 MPa.
34.3 MPa. Yeah.
Oh, 34 and 3 MPa and lock the nut red. Okay.
Very good.